Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Telegram. And now, first of all, you want to choose a group chat, for example, where you want to get it verified. So I'm just going to choose this one. After that, just click on the group chat itself. After that, click edit at the top right there. And now you will see here invite link. So we want to click on that and copy the link, just like so. The same goes on the phone. So after you have copied the link, you want to go back to your chats. And on the chats, you want to go ahead on search and search for verify bot. And once you have found it, as you can see, this bot can help you verify a Telegram channel, public group, or bot. So I'm just gonna start a chat with verify bot, and as you can see, they asking you to please send me a link of your username or of the link. So I'm just gonna. So when you paste the link, you just go ahead and click send.